I think this is Science Hill. I'm almost certain this is Science Hill. Yes, it is. There we go. All right. Perfect. Oh, and it's still beautiful. The Science Hill Friends meeting is at the next little crossroad when we junction. There's the power line right away. There's their cemetery. And the Friends meeting is on the left. I'll show it to you. Yeah, and then I'll be going back to the right, but I want to show you the Science Hill Friends meeting. Can you tell it's an old style building? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. They've been here a while. It's beautiful. And I'm going to head back along this old wagon trail. That's what it was originally. Going down to the ferry, Lassiter Mill Road. Lassiter Mill. How do I know? How do I think there would be a ferry there? Well, the mill requires a river, and it has to be at a place where they can divert some of the water to get the water power, and then you want people to be coming from both sides, and it needs to be some kind of crossing. Boy, I haven't been on this road in a while. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I got down here by coming down Superhighway NC49. But this is the beautiful road. Look at it. Now, in Israel, a line of trees like what's on the left to be a barrier for the field perimeter would be called broshim. Brosh is oh, there's the daylilies. Do you think there's a creek here? Do you think this might be something like Back Creek? Possibly. So what was Lassiter Mill for? Well, if you grow your crops and you need to have your dried grains ground up, you got to have a mill somewhere, a grist mill. Oh, that was, you couldn't see that fine old house on the left I just passed. We are headed back toward Asheboro. We're breaking out into the open. Okay, this is Old NC49. I gotta look to make sure I don't crash with anybody. Still, okay, we're good. This is Old NC49. This is the West Side Volunteer Fire Department. Down the road from me is the East Side Volunteer. Oh, this is beautiful. They got the soybeans in the field there on the right. That's right, this is when you plant the soybeans. You plant the corn earlier than this. Got to know your crop rotation schedule. The reason is you want to be able to harvest your soybeans in October going into December. But you want to harvest the corn earlier than that. Silo's Family Restaurant. I've eaten in there once. This is a beautiful road. There's a country and western store along here. How do you like the entrance to that church coming up on the left? Cedar Groves Baptist Church. Been there a long time. This is Cedar Grove. Yes, an unincorporated area. This is beautiful. Trucks entering highway. What do you think is coming up? $3.59 a gallon. The price for some reason is going down this week. And it's the West Side Fire and Rescue Training Area over there to the right. Thank you to the folks who come out to help us when we get into trouble. Isn't it beautiful? This is the Piedmont of North Carolina. Yeah, Hill and Dale. It's beautiful. Do you notice how they had to fill in that little valley there in order to keep the... Oh, you see this old gas station? We're getting close to merging back with NC49 in a bit. Just want to warn you about it. So we're like 1 mile outside of Asheboro. Look at how beautiful it is. It isn't cityfied at all. In a moment we have to go over a highway, as I recollect it. That's a nice fence, been put up recently. You can tell how fresh the wood is. Line curve, watch out. Yeah, we're going over some highway. Right here. Yeah. Yeah, that was the bypass. US 64. You're not supposed to call it the bypass. The bypass doesn't exist. It's US 64, which is a bypass, and Business 64, which used to be just US 64. But it got too built up with business when originally it was made in order to be a bypass from going in through downtown Asheboro in the horse and wagon days and the early 1929 Fords and stuff like that. We're getting close to town. See this road coming down from the left? That is the turnoff for NC49 to get onto Old NC49. We're gonna go under this 64 thing here. We're going to get on the terminus of NC49 coming into Asheboro. We got a U. We got to be careful. Okay, I'm looking back. We're clear. The guy behind me didn't like that, but that's tough. I was shopping at the Food Lion earlier. Okay, that's the end of the tour on a short part of NC49, starting from Science Hill, Friends Meeting area, where the beauty really is, to Asheboro. Welcome to Asheboro and the reconstruction of this total interchange that's way out of date for the kind of traffic it needs to handle. Steve AB4L, being courteous with that. See that Dollar, can you see, did you see the Dollar General? That used to be like 10 feet down, but they finally filled it in enough they could sell the lot, and Dollar General put a store there. Yeah, I'm telling you the history. Steve AB4L. Everything changes. Saying see you in 73.